So here I'm displaying the pulse train being generated by this little setup from the experiments and the lessons that I'm doing. Creates a pulse train which is can be varied by adjusting this trimmer potentiometer. The frequency range is determined by this resistor and this capacitor. By changing the values of these two, I can change the values up and down, the total frequency range up and down that this device can output. In this case, it'll go up to just over 2 kilohertz. It's supposed to go all the way up to 3, but it doesn't. And down to, I think it's around 300 hertz. So it's not even quite as precise as intended. Now at the moment, the scope is triggering off channel 1, which is the pulse train itself, so it's stable on the screen, and I'm getting a frequency of approximately 501.7 hertz. Now if I set the frequency generator, oops, turn back one, go to the trigger, select channel 2, I'm going to try to adjust that again back down. That's as close to 500 as I can get. So the device is not particularly stable, and I'm going to assume that has to do with some of the low quality parts that are included in the lesson kit. But the purpose is to demonstrate how to produce a pulse train that is adjustable in frequency range, both by using the trimmer potentiometer and by changing the values of the one resistor and one capacitor to create various frequency ranges that this will produce. As you can see, it's not particularly stable. I'm adjusting the frequency generator to try to stabilize the pulse train on the screen. I attempted to manually adjust it to 500 hertz, and it's drifting on its own. At this point, I'm not entirely sure if there's other factors that are causing it to drift, perhaps heat of the components as they're running. Or if it's just the inherent instability of one or more component on the board. But this does exactly what I wanted. I can display a timing pulse train and adjust the device as close as possible to the desired frequency.